Subject English. Topic Robotics. Standard 3rd. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So student, before starting our topic, I would like to ask you a few questions. So let's begin. My first question is, who saves our time in daily life? Tell me student. Yes, correct. Machine saves our time. Machines like oven, washing machine, mixture grinder. So student, with the help of machine, we can do our work in less time. My next question is, name a smart machine. Now student, you have to tell me the name of the smart machine. Yes, correct student. Computer. Computer is a smart machine. So, let's start our today's topic. Lesson number 31, Robotic. A robot is a complex man-made machine that can perform many of the tasks that human beings do. So, student, some tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings, robots are built in such a way, student, that they can perform these tasks automatically. When we start them or when we give a command to a robot, they can perform that task automatically. Robot may be operated by remote control also, student. Student, robot has a built-in computer program and this program is like the robot's brain. But student, robot cannot think on its own like human being do. So it cannot decide whether to do something or whether something is good or bad on its own. Robot cannot think like human. So student, let's see the meaning. Complex. Complex means made up of many parts. Then automatically on its own without needing a person to operate them. Then the next one is operated, worked in a particular manner. Robot can learn and do only what the computer programs make it possible for the robot to learn and do. Which means the robot does not have mood and feelings like human beings have. And other machines, robot can do boring tasks again and again and again without getting bored. So robot can learn and do only that thing which is programmed in its computer. Robot can work in dangerous places where human beings cannot go or live. So student, you have also seen the movie Robot. In that, the robot name is Chitty. And with only one command, he is performing all his tasks automatically. And in that movie, he is also saving the life of a people who is stuck on the fire. So, robot can also perform the tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings to do. Have you understood, student? So let's see the meaning. Remote control. Remote control is a device that allows one to operate a machine from a distance. The second one is mood. The way a people or person is feeling at a particular time. Devices. Devices means objects or equipment that have been designed to do a particular task. Student, a robot has mechanical part or a body. This part enables the robot to move or perform certain action in certain way. So student, mechanical parts like the robot have pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheel and gears joined in a particular way. So these parts helps robot to move or perform certain action. This device also helps robots to hold things, to blow, to suck, to sweep, to do the work. So student, this part are mainly designed to suit the purpose for which the robot is built. A robot also has sensors or devices that inform it about surrounding. So student, the sensors are like robots eyes, ears, nose, skin, etc. So these devices are designed and fitted to the robot by experts who design and build the robots. So student, on the screen you can see that how robot is doing their work without any mistakes. Now let's see the meaning. Scoop. Scoop means to pick up something using a spoon like device. Sensor. Sensor means a device that can react to light, heat, pressure, etc. Relevant. Relevant means closely connected to the topic one is interested in. Okay student. Students, some robots are designed to look like human beings or other living things, or they may be given other suitable shapes. But student, to design a robot like a human being or giving the robot suitable shapes, it requires a lot of hard work, skill and imagination to design and build robot. Student, would you like to design or build a real robot when you grow up? Okay, so student, for that you will have to study the relevant subject well and also develop a good imagination. Student, what is robot? Robot is a machine that does tasks without the help of a person. Many people think of robots as machines that look and act like people. Most robots, though, do not look like people, and robots do only what a person has built them to do. Have you understood, student? Now student, here is an homework for you. Complete the following. Now the first one is the body of a robot is made up of dash, and the option is electricity, mechanical parts, blood vessels or batteries. So student, what is the correct answer? Yes, correct. The correct answer is the body of a robot is made up of mechanical parts. Okay student, so here I will give you the answer and you have to write the correct answer in your notebook. So the second one is the dash of a robot can be compared to the eyes, ears, nose, etc. of a human being, and the option given is cylinders, sensors, brain, devices. So student, what is the correct answer? Yes, correct student. The correct answer is the sensor of a robot can be compared to the eyes, ears, nose, etc. of a human being. Very good student. Now let's see the next one. A robot can learn and do only what the dash makes it possible for it to do. So student, what is the answer over here? Yes, correct student. A robot can learn and do only what the computer program makes it possible for it to do. Very good student. Now the next one is the dash in a robot enable the robot to perform certain actions in certain ways. So the option is mechanical parts, remote control, cylinders, hands. So student, tell me what is the correct answer? Yes, correct. Mechanical parts. Yes, so the mechanical parts in a robot enables the robot to perform certain action in certain way. Very good student. Now the next one is dash is the robot's brain, and the option is remote control, the built-in computer program, batteries, cells. So the correct option over here is the built-in computer program. Yes, so the built-in computer program is the robot's brain. Now, student, you have to write this correct answer in your notebook. Now, student, let's see the opposite. So, the first one is possible and the opposite of possible is impossible. So, the next one is complex and the opposite of complex is simple. Then boring and the opposite of boring is interesting. Very good, student. Question number 3. Write a list of the mechanical parts of a robot. So the answer is the mechanical parts of a robot are pipes, tubes, cylinder, wheels and gears. So student, all of these are the mechanical parts of a robot. Now the next one is pick out the features of a robot and those of a human being and write their names in a given columns. So student, the first one is can do boring task without getting bored. Now the next one is has mood and feelings. Then can work in extremely dangerous places. Then gets tired and makes mistakes. After that, capable of making decisions. Has a metal or a plastic body. Now the next one is capable of thinking and then has sensory organs. And the last one is never gets tired and is a non-living thing. So student, you have to make a column to write the given answer. Let's see how you will write the given answer. Now student, you have to pick out the features of a robot and of a human being and write their names in the given column. So the first one will come is can do boring task without getting bored. So it will come in features of a robot. Now capable of thinking. Who is capable of thinking? Human being. Then the next one is can do work in extremely dangerous places. So who do work? Robot can do work in extremely dangerous places. Now human being has mood and feelings and robot has sensors, human being has sensory organs. Then next one, robot work on order, correct student, and human being are capable of making decisions. Then the next, robot has a metal or plastic body but human being has a brain and life. Now the next one, robot never gets tired, correct. So and in human qualities of human gets tired and make mistake. Then in features of a robot is a non-living thing and qualities of human being is a living thing. So like this you have to write the correct answer in the given column. Have you understood, student? Thank you, student. Keep learning.